Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. The last 24 hours for the crypto market and especially Dogecoin has been very hectic. You can see that 50% of the market is down while some tokens are up, and one of them being Dogecoin, being able to break above the resistance over the 13-cent mark with the trading volume exceeding 1 billion and having trending on Twitter. Dogecoin has accomplished some crazy things. Let's just say it looks like we're ready for the breakout. Elon Musk announces a major donation for crypto-friendly US president, and this could help Dogecoin. And at the same time, South Korea implements a new crypto regulation. There's a lot to cover today, but before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the cryptocurrency market and especially Dogecoin, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While there, slap a like on the video, just help the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more people. More people see the positive side of Doge, decide to talk into it, buy into it, and it starts spiking up and all of us make a lot of profit. Now keep in mind, it's very important, user engagement is the only last thing Dogecoin needs to break above all those big barriers that we are facing. Now keep in mind, there was an article that was posted just about 4 days ago which was talking about how Dogecoin has everything that's in its favor. The only thing that is missing right now is user engagement, and user engagement simply means more people actually talking about it. In that terms, if you decide to tweet about it, you decide to like videos which have Dogecoin in it, so more people are actually talking about Dogecoin. If you have been paying attention on Twitter, you guys will realize that Dogecoin is trending in the business and the finance category, and trust me, this is a lot better than a lot of people were anticipating, because Dogecoin is definitely leading the chart by quite a margin. Also, another important thing is if we talk about the way the rally has grown since the bottom, you can see the rally is a little bit faster than even the uptrend was trying to predict. Now keep in mind, this has also broken the downtrend that we formed since we received this season's all-time high. Now you guys can see we were constantly getting a down hit. Every single time it tried to retest the resistance, every time it broke. And now you can see just about 8 hours ago it has finally broken out of that downtrend and maybe starting the new momentum that everyone has been waiting for. And keep in mind, it is expected that this momentum is going to be setting a new high which will be close to 50 cents. I know for a fact a lot of you guys will be very happy to see that. At the same time, if you look at the RSI, at one point just about a couple of hours ago, it did get into the overbought zone. This is very good, because you need to understand, when it gets into the overbought zone, there is going to be a little bit of consolidation that will help the RSI line get back into the center, and then more inflow of money will occur. Another thing which is important, as you guys can see, it looks like it's about to break out. And at the same time, WazirX, if you guys do not know, this platform has been in a lot of important things. So WazirX eyes a bounty program to help recover 234 million in stolen funds. This is actually an exchange, an Indian exchange for crypto, which actually got hacked and a lot of their funds was stolen. They are trying really hard to recover as much as possible, but so much of the asset that was being stolen is being sold for other coins such as Ethereum, and one of the ones that has taken the strongest dip is Shiba Inu. But one thing you do not have to worry about is they were not holding on to much of Dogecoin. That's one of the reasons why Dogecoin may not actually face such a significant downtrend. Right now there is a lot of panic in the market about this topic, and that's why a lot of people are scared. Now Elon Musk, if you guys do not know, just in about 48 hours, the Bitcoin 2024 event is going to be happening. It has been confirmed Trump will be attending that. At the same time, Elon is making major donations towards Trump, and this is causing a little bit of a partnership that everyone did not expect. If this partnership goes in a positive way, this could have a very positive impact on the crypto market, and especially Elon Musk's favorite coin, which is actually Dogecoin. Announcement to support the presidential candidate through significant monthly contribution has stirred attention. Although the exact figures remain unconfirmed, sources hint estimate of $45 million per month, and this is one of the biggest sum of money that's been donated to anyone in a very long time for the presidential candidate, and for digital assets like Bitcoin and Dogecoin. Now you need to understand, all of this donation that is happening is going to allow Elon Musk to have a little bit better connections or better friendship or better understanding with Trump. If Trump becomes the next president, he is already a pro crypto. Now, a lot of people on the other end are also talking about how Trump becoming anything to do with president is not going to be affecting the crypto market, and that was actually mentioned by Mark. If you guys do not know, Mark is a very big person, and that I do not agree with. That's all I'm going to say. Now, South Korea puts out new regulations. Now, these regulations enhance the user protection in the crypto industry. Must keep 80% of his user crypto deposit in cold storage. Now, why did this come out? It's obviously due to the WazirX idea that actually happened because there was so much money or so much crypto that was in handheld when it got hacked. So much of the money was stolen in such a short period of time. But this new regulation, which is 80% of its crypto deposit in cold storage, this is going to be protecting a lot of people's money. If they do have about 300 million, 240 million will be in cold storage, which will be 100% protected and very, very hard to steal. And this is one of the reasons, and I personally do agree with this, but at the same time, a lot of people are thinking regulations from a government towards crypto is usually not a good sign. Now, personally, I don't agree because it is protecting some people's assets. Now, let's just say Dogecoin open interest has seen a significant growth in the last 24 hours as well, a 7% increase, but has exceeded 500 million now, sitting close to 558. And on the other end, liquidations for shorts is not very good, 1.4 million, but at the same time, longs are not going well as well. Now, yesterday we talked about this whale, which is the largest holder of Dogecoin, deciding to purchase close to $50 million worth of Dogecoin 2 times. Now, they purchased about 800 million Dogecoin just in about, I say, 10 minutes, which is a significant amount, and a lot of people will not see this sort of money in their whole lifetime, including me. But let's just say, straight after this purchase, this other wallet, which is the 3rd largest holder, decided to sell about the same amount of money. So this was very confusing for me. Are these connected? Because the amount that was sold was very similar to what was initially being used by the first wallet, so it was a little confusing, but I just saw it was really interesting to bring a lot of people's attention to it. At the same time, moving expected, running an 18% profit so far. Doge still has a really crazy move that will be happening very, very shortly, and you can see it is happening. The breakout has started, and this breakout will not be slowing down depending on how many people believe in Dogecoin and decide to hold it. But other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. Honestly, we have some good days yet to happen in crypto. Just be ready for it. I hope you guys did enjoy it. Drop a like on it, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.